Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a small yellow house with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with an 8x8 plate. In the top left, a 2x4 brick. Set that right there, followed by a 1x2 and 2x4 bricks. Back on the left, a 1x4 brick, followed by a 1x4 brick in the center, and on the far right, a 1x4 brick, and in these two areas a set of transparent clear 1x1 bricks for little windows. Let's lock all these joints together with a 2x6 brick. Now for a little door, take a 1x2 by 2 2/3 arch frame. We're going to stick one of these little panels in here for a door. Place that in there as shown. I'm going to set that right in that 1x2 opening. And we're going to lock this together with a 1x4 brick with arch. And in these two areas, a set of 1x2 bricks. For the roof, take a pair of 2x3 25-degree slopes. I'm going to place one right here and one right here, right above the door. And a set of 3x3 outside 25-degree slopes for the corners. And a 2x4 25-degree slope ridge tile to complete the top of the roof. Let's add some flowers. I'm going to take a 3-pronged flower stem and some blue stud flowers. We're going to populate each of these limbs. Sometimes these things are a bit of a chore to get on, so you just have to twist them on a little bit. And we're going to make 2 of these for twice the fun. See, I'm struggling with this one right here, so just get those lined in. Usually the last one's always the tough one. That's the one that wants to fight. There we go. And then I'm going to place these right in these 2 areas.